Today I'm going to teach you how to tag someone in Google Sheets. This is a really useful feature when you're collaborating with team members and need to draw their attention to a specific cell or issue in your spreadsheet. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and head over to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your Google credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. Here you'll see all your recent files and folders. Look for the specific spreadsheet where you want to tag someone and click on it to open it. This could be any shared project file, a budget tracker, or a team collaboration sheet. Now that your spreadsheet is open, identify the exact cell where you want to tag someone. Click directly on that cell to select it. This is important because the comment you're about to add will be anchored to this specific location in your sheet. With the cell selected, look up at the top menu bar and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Comment. This opens up a comment box right next to your selected cell, allowing you to leave a note that will notify specific people in the comment box that appears. Type your message. For example, you might write something like, "Please fix this," or "Can you review these numbers?" Once you've typed your initial message, here's where the tagging comes in. Type the @ symbol, which is the @ character, and immediately start typing the email address of the person you want to tag. As you type, Google Sheets will suggest matching contacts from your organization, making it easier to select the right person. After selecting or completing the email address, click the comment button to post your comment. The person you tagged will receive an email notification letting them know they've been mentioned in the sheet, and they'll be able to see your comment and respond directly. And that's it. You've successfully tagged someone in Google Sheets, making collaboration smoother and ensuring the right people see your message exactly where it matters. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.